Look at this $6.99 Massey Ferguson. This baby is one cool tractor. It is an ERTL manufacturer. It's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. Special edition, come with me! Spring has sprung and we are heading out to the garage sales, flea markets, and toy shows. Those are where the greatest treasures are found. You never know what you're gonna find. Somebody stop me! So cool, these wheels rock and roll for the field. This is big dually tires on the back, and look at those stairs stepping into this monster machine. Again, nice air-conditioned cab, probably's got some TV, radio, refrigerator, little cooktop in there for those all-day field harvesting and planting. These are the workhorses of America. Love these things. Look at that. I'm telling you, these details are killer cool. Nothing on the bottom, but ERTL is right in this wheel well. You see it tucked in there? Way behind. I can almost read it, but I know you can, because you guys got better eyesight. Oh, these things are rollers, but they are slow rollers, power horses. They are made to climb and pull and all sorts of things. Something about a farm tractor. It's a vehicle. It's in the toy car case at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. Thanks for bringing this one in. We will see you on the flip-flop. Auto top. Right on, brother! I know you're a toy car case guy out there. It is 3:16 on old Johnny Clark. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out. Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be!